Did you get those invoices I sent you the other day, Gertrude?
No. Can you send them again?
Yeah.
You know what I'm really craving right now?
No, what is it this time?
Pizza.
That does sound good. But, I mean, we could always order it, but they never make it right.
Yeah. Maybe we have some downstairs.
I don't know. I mean, we could, but we usually don't keep it in the kitchen, and we haven't had a pizza day in a while.
But we have those pizza days like every once in a while. Maybe we're going to have one today.
But they didn't tell me or anyone else that we were going to have a pizza day today.
Maybe it was a surprise.
All right.
Everyone loves surprises.
Well, all right, let's go check.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Pizza! Wait for me, Lauren! Pizza! Wrong way. Pizza. What's that? Make your own pizza? Score! Okay. Pick your crust. Stuffed. Pick your toppings. Pepperoni.
How many pieces do you want?
2. Pick this thing.
Lauren, I'll be like, oh no.
Amazing.